In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up user groups and assign them to users in SuccessWare21. To begin, we're going to click on the red 21 in the upper left-hand corner, followed by Setup, and then we're going to click on User Manager. When the User Manager screen pops up, you can right-click anywhere in this screen and then choose User Groups. In the User Groups box, you're going to notice in the upper right-hand corner there is a blue link for Remote User Groups. Go ahead and click on Remote User Groups. On your computer screen, it's going to walk you through the prompts to adding in 3 user groups: Remote Tech On-Call, and Remote Tech Manager. On my screen here, those 3 groups have already been set up, so just follow the prompt on your computer to complete those 3 groups. Once you have created the Remote Tech user groups, you can close out of the user group screen, and you can also close out of the User Manager screen. We are then going to go back to the red 21 in the upper left-hand corner, and then go to Setup. And this time we're going to choose the Employee Manager, which is directly underneath the User Manager screen. Once the Employee Manager screen has popped up, go ahead and take a look at the employee code for the technician that you would like to use to log in on a remote device. Once you see the employee code for your technician, make sure you write that down exactly as you see it in the Employee Manager screen. Once you have documented the employee's employee code, you can go ahead and hit the X in the upper right-hand corner and close out of the Employee Manager screen. We're then going to go back to the red 21 in the upper left-hand corner and click on Setup, and then we're going to revisit the User Manager screen. Within the User Manager screen, you're going to right-click again, and this time you're going to go to New to add a new user or a new technician. In the Users box, the first thing we're going to do is create a username. The username field should match identically with the employee code that you wrote down from the Employee Manager. So the first thing we're going to do here is re-enter the employee code into the username field exactly as it was shown in the Employee Manager screen. Then go ahead and put in the technician's full name, followed by a comment if you'd like, and then go ahead and select the user group. And in this case, I'm going to select Remote Tech. You're going to then hit Save, and a couple messages are going to pop up on your screen. The first one is going to remind you that we still have to generate a password for the new user that you just created. So go ahead and click OK to this. You're going to notice in the lower left-hand corner a new blue link has appeared that says Reset Password. Go ahead and click on Reset Password. A dialog box is going to pop up, and it's going to say, would you like to create a new password for Brandy? You're going to choose Yes. And then it's going to tell you that it's going to generate a password for your new user. You can select OK. And the new password will actually be presented directly on your screen here. My new temporary password is going to be MGKZ, as you see right on the screen. And go ahead and click OK. Once you have created a password for your new user, you have successfully allowed them to log in on a remote device.